Welcome back to this channel. Sorry friends, long time ago I didn't uploaded any video. But in this week I will try to upload minimum 2 videos. So guys, be ready and press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified by the latest videos of my channel. In this video I will give you a script of speech on Teachers Day, as Teachers Day is coming up. So let's get started. The Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September and this tradition began from 1962 when Dr. Sarvepali Radhakrishnan was born. He was a philosopher, scholar, teacher and politician, and his dedicated work towards education made his birthday an important day in the history of India. To promote the values and principles of a true teacher, this day is celebrated. Teachers' Day is celebrated with full fervor and joy in all the educational institutions across India. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is honored as he was born on the same day in 1888. It is a supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. A teacher should have a special place in every child's heart, because in this game of life, they will help them to get their start. I just want to thank you for all you have done. You are a special teacher for me. You are number one. Happy Teachers Day. So guys, how do you like the speech? Is the content was okay? Comment me or like this video for your response. Friends, I added the script of speech in the description so you can see and learn it from there. Bye friends, have a good day. Be realistic and explore your creativity. Bye.